for Taylor Raynor for New York State Assembly District 18. Vote September 13, 2018.
To a room of people as a newcomer, as a politician, but we haven't really had anyone different in 30 years. So please give me your patience and bear with me because I'm here for all of you. And I want to thank President Wayne Hall Jr. and the Executive Board for inviting me to speak this evening. I also want to thank you, the club members and guests, for lending me your ears. My name is Taylor Raynor, and I'm running for New York State Assembly of the 18th District on the Democratic line. The Wilson Bakula was signed, and the change will take effect in November. I was born and bred in Bed-Stuy to two incredibly supportive parents who instilled a standard of excellence in every part of my life. My father, Ralston Bertley, a United States Army sergeant, believed that if you learn the game of chess, you learn how to strategize in life. He served as our chess coach while my sister and I competed nationally throughout our childhood. Our chess team even placed 14th in the nation at the Chess Nationals in May of '94. My father died shortly after that tournament, and at the age of 11, my mother, sister, and we moved to Hempstead. I was enrolled in the Uniondale School District, and I truly thrived. Uniondale High School is where my love of community service was born. I served as the president of several clubs, including the Student Government Association. I also served as the voice of Uniondale. I graduated from Uniondale High School at 16 years old and attended my dream school, Spelman College in Atlanta, Georgia.
Yes.
Later, once my mother fell ill, down to one parent, I returned to Hempstead and obtained my master's in industrial organizational psychology from Hofstra University.
Woo!
Assembly District 18 has given me so much. An excellent public school education, my first few jobs, and some of the most inspirational people I have ever met. I decided to run for office because for the last 20 plus years, this district, our district, has been on a steady decline. And I decided it was time to take action. Our quality of education is unacceptable. Our quality of life is atrocious. And I believe this is because our people have not been effectively represented or advocated for in almost 30 years. Raise your hand if you believe your family deserves excellence.
Vote for Taylor Raynor for New York Assembly District 18. Vote September 13, 2018. Make sure you go and vote for Taylor Raynor.
In the world that I will be running, people can speak.
I know, but have respect.
No, that you can't force people to have respect.
That's all right.
Some people weren't raised properly.
For far too long, the residents of our district have not only been robbed of the opportunity to thrive, many have struggled to even just survive, all because of institutional failures that have gone unaddressed for decades. Tonight, I am proud to publicly unveil my platform for the first time.
Woo!
Excellence for the 18th.
Yes.
Woo!
Excellence for the 18th means we will no longer accept any less than excellent education and training for everyone, from high school students to seniors. We will no longer accept any less than beautiful communities that are indistinguishable from those around us. We will no longer accept getting priced out of our homes. We will no longer accept that our health and wellness are not a priority. We built this community up to glory for the first time. We are going to bring it back to that high standard. And then we are going to be the ones that get to enjoy it. That won't be possible if we re-elect Earlene Hooper for a 16th term in office. During her 30-year term, our community has progressively gotten worse. The community has become less financially successful, less academically successful, and less appealing overall. I truly believe we are all products of our environment. The torn up streets that destroy our cars, the vacant houses that litter our neighborhoods, and the deteriorating buildings that become less safe by the day are not the kind of environment conducive to success. Meanwhile, our current Assemblywoman serves at the will of her own ego. She does not have pride in being our representative. Her only pride is in her title, Deputy Speaker. Many times, she even has threatened to have young Assembly staff members fired and their careers destroyed if they dare call her anything other than Deputy Speaker. On the other hand, if you elect me, you can always call me Taylor. And if you need to file a complaint about a pothole or a burnt out street light or any issue you think I can resolve, you can always call me Taylor. Between Earlene Hooper's in-district absenteeism, which includes a district office that's rarely open, I've called it, no one's answered, and Republican State Senator Kim Hannon, who only makes sure the wealthy part of his district has their needs met. A whopping 63% of Democrats in our district have not had anyone advocating for them in decades. With your support, your voice, your vote, I will change that. Look, we pay very high taxes here in Nassau County, and you can see our tax dollars at work just outside of our district. But when we need the tax money spent on something to benefit our community, it takes years to get, if it ever even comes. According to New York State Board of Education data, less than 1 in 5 students in the Hempstead School District are graded as proficient in English and math. That means over 80% of our students can't read or do math on the level they're supposed to. That is so sad. The Hempstead School District was caught forging graduation rates to cover themselves, all while our children pay the biggest price. We need to do better for our children today. We cannot afford one more disastrous school year. Our children and our future are depending on us. So many of our seniors are living Social Security check to Social Security check. And with taxes and the cost of living on the rise, many seniors often have to choose between paying all of their bills, getting their medication, or eating. Our seniors have worked hard their entire lives. They deserve a dignified retirement in the community they helped build. They should not be forced to go back to work. They should not have to ration food and medication to survive. We absolutely have to do better for our seniors. We need to do better for every single person living in the 18th Assembly District. District 18 has settled for scraps for too long, and if you will have me, I will fight to take back our rightful seat at the table. My name is Taylor Raynor, and I'm asking for your vote. And I would now like to hear from you. Are there any questions?
Vote for Taylor Raynor for New York State Assembly District 18. Vote September 13, 2018.